Hello, I'm Dave Dalpe, the owner of Victory Heating and Air Conditioning in Bellingham, Massachusetts. Today I'm going to talk to you about hot water heaters. This is a typical 50-gallon hot water heater that has a tank inside that holds 50 gallons and a gas section at the bottom that creates a flame that heats the water. Although this is 50 gallons, you'll not get 50 gallons of hot water out of there. The reason for it is, as hot water leaves the tank, cold water comes in to replace the hot water, goes to the bottom of the tank and dilutes the hot water down there. So you only get a small section of the tank that's actually as hot as the set point on the thermostat. What this means is that if you take back-to-back showers or have a tub that requires more water than its capacity, you will run out of hot water. And this is a very slow recovering tank, so it'll take quite a while to reheat. In addition, it has limited life. Because of the corrosive effect of the water attacks the metals in the tank, and usually get about 10 years of life out of this. And thirdly, and although you can't see this, the U.S. government energy guy rating right here rates this tank as somewhat inefficient. It's less than 50%, more like 75% of the available high efficiency heaters. It costs about $315 a year to heat water. Good reliable tank, but certainly has some limitations. Now let me show you another tank that overcomes all these problems. Now this water heater solves the three problems that I just mentioned. This is a tankless water heater. What I mean by that is that as water comes in, it goes through a small heat exchanger and then goes out as hot water. There is no storage in this. What's good about that is that there is no loss of energy in between heating cycles, and it is so efficient that we are able to flue this out with PVC flues. So we can actually touch this without fear of getting burnt, which means that the energy that's being used in here is almost used 100% towards making hot water, which makes this a really efficient system. So you can see in the energy guide, it's towards the more efficient types of heater. It is actually one of the most efficient heaters that's available. Also, capacity. This heater will continue to produce hot water as long as there's cold water available and gas available. Oh, and electricity. If you have those three things available, this thing will produce hot water forever. It will never stop. It will never run out. It will continue going on and on and on. And that's great for back-to-back showers. That's great for tubs with a lot of capacity, because the water will just keep coming out hot as long as you need it. And the third thing is, because there isn't any storage, and that the metals and materials that are in here are non-corrosive towards the water, this water heater will last at least 20 years, probably 30, maybe even longer. It's a very good heater. This happens to be a Renai, and we highly recommend this heater. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us.